quick to iPhone users. Immediately you enter the app, you're going to see sign up. That is, you don't have the app, you have not used the app before. So just input your name, your email, and then your password. I've done this, that's why I took a screenshot. So click on create account. Please don't forget your password. All right, click on create account, and immediately you do that, you're going to see an interface like this. Choose your language. You will see Java, C++, and like, remember we are working with Python, right? So click on Python, but we're not going to be working with this. This is just like a library for stuff. You come to look at the bottom, this second stuff that look like a folder. Click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, what you are going to see, you're going to see something like this. So you click on create project, then immediately create project, click on empty project. Okay, empty project. So the name of your project is like the name of the folder you want to name your project. Like the previous one, I named it Python class, then click on create. All right, now you're going to see an interface like this. It shows no files open or create file. So you should carefully choose create file. Click on create carefully. Okay, now you are supposed to name your Python file. Like I will name it python.py. Remember, you can name it any name, but it must end with .py. Note, when you are naming, don't name something like capital letter .py. Allow everything to be lowercase, small letters. All right, but you can name it anything, but no space. You cannot say Jerry Cool .py. You cannot name it that. It's a single word. Okay, so you can name it python.py or index.py, anything.py, all in lowercase. So click on create. So yours, this is our interface. Okay, if you are typing yours, it won't be this big. Mine is kind of big. So how do you set that quickly? To do that, you come underneath, you look at the bottom right, you are going to see the gearbox, this setting. What I did was that you can see this icon here, this drop down icon here. I click on it, so my mouse will go down, my keyboard will go down. So look at this gear, click on it, you're going to see all this stuff. So the font size, you need the font size to be like 17. I set mine at 17. You can put it at any font you want, but not that small font that was there. Okay, click on OK. The font family should be as it is. Then let me see, indentation, just leave everything as it is. Okay, then when you are done, just go back. How do you go back? Let me see, I can't see full. I just click on the file, this, click on it, then click on the Python class you created. All right, now to run your code, just type print, open parenthesis, use full column. You can see that when you type it, it's automatically generate the second one, and print hello world. Okay, when you have done that, then if you have done this, to run your code, you're going to see a configure kind of a button here. Click on the configure button. Okay, now you add configuration, click on add configuration, and this is just a one-time stuff. All right, now before you add configuration, what did you name your file? Remember, I named my file what? I did not put n, python.py. That was what I named my file. So don't forget the name you name your file exactly, python.py. Click on configuration, add configuration. So here you're going to write Python. That is, the first thing you do here is that you wrote Python. That is, what we are working on is a Python code normally. Then you write the name of your file. Don't forget, you first write Python, then space, then the name that you name your file. My name, mine, python.py. Then you click on save. Okay, so when you are done with that, when you press this, when you press this, yeah, I'm looking for my cursor. Okay, when you click on this play button, Now your code should run. You can see the error. I wrote prompt instead of print. Okay, then run it again. Let's run it again. You can see the output hello world. To do this, attempt to do this. Let me see. All right. So thank you very much.